everyone, Walid again, and I have Kelvin with me here at BSV Global Blockchain Convention. Hello, Kelvin.
Hello, hello.
So you've been supportive from day one to BSV and the Direct Vision. Why is that?
Well, first of all, I've been supportive of his original design, which is Bitcoin, which is now using the BSV trading ticker. The underlying protocol hasn't changed since he launched it in 2009 using the BTC protocol. Why I support it is because I'm in the business of investing in companies. I'm a venture capitalist, and the only public blockchain that can solve big data challenges is the original Bitcoin protocol. It's the only one that could scale unboundedly, and it's also patent protected. So it's the only place where a serious business person or government could actually invest.
So, a person with your background, you wouldn't mind going into the crypto space, making better outcome from your investment in the crypto space than investing and burning money on BSV equity?
Yeah, well, first of all, I would mind going into the crypto space. That's why I've never gone there. I've got nothing to do with crypto, and I never would have anything to do with it. I mean, crypto is manipulated exchanges, basically. What I do is invest in companies that want to use big data. That's it. It's very simple.
So you said during our chat that they are afraid of what this technology can do.
Yes.
Who's afraid?
A lot of people are going to get disrupted by it. I think mostly US-based payments companies and tech companies, significantly Silicon Valley and the VCs that fund them, who are using business models that are going to be disrupted heavily by this technology, such as the ad model. Those are people. I think the crypto space itself is upset about this technology simply because it gives a better example of how this technology can be used. But I think they're secondary. I think the real power that's threatened by this technology would be the US-based payments companies and US-based tech companies, significantly in Silicon Valley.
So you believe that the best use case that can this technology offer to maybe increase the adoption is the privacy web 3.0 ad-free applications or the micropayments?
Well, they're related because micropayments enable all the other big data powers. So it all starts with scaling and micropayments, and that creates the ability to do all the other things. So it's a big debate, actually, as to where this technology is most likely to catch on. But I see it gaining traction in a number of areas right now. Gaming, for sure. And a lot of companies are demonstrating here at the conference that they've got ideas of how they can do plumbing-related things to create value, managing the back end of enterprises so that people may be using this technology and not even know about it. So yeah, those are two areas I see for sure, see some activity here at the conference.
You organized this conference from the beginning. You started by Hong Kong, and you
Yeah.
went to Europe and the States. So why you choose Dubai this time?
Dubai is a hub in the center of an area where there's a lot of governments that have a lot of money and are progressive about using technologies. So I think that our hunch to come here and make the relationships is paying off because I think that we have educated members of governments in the region, not only here in Dubai, that this technology is something that could make it easier to run their countries. So yeah, I think it's been a good plan.
What do you think about the legal framework that UAE is setting for digital assets in general?
Well, I think that's good. I think that's the right direction. And I think that digital assets are going to be a real thing. I don't think that crypto necessarily is going to be a real thing. Well, I think it will, but it'll be replaced by another way to use a massively scaling public blockchain like this to tokenize and fractionalize real world assets. So there will be digital assets. They're just going to be a different kind of digital asset, more tied to the real world and scaling way beyond anything that you'll see in crypto. That is my prediction, and that's what I'm investing in.
No one yet predicted what Metaverse would be. So, do you have?
Yeah.
Can you envision this?
Yeah, I'm actually less of a fan of Metaverse in the near term. I think that definitely something in that direction is going to eventually become reality. But to me, that's farther down the road. I mean, I'm focusing on right now just solving big data challenges and investing in companies that solve big data challenges. So I do have one investment in a company called Transmira, who claim to be leading the charge for Metaverse technology. So let's hope they're right.
Thank you, Kelvin.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Hopefully you enjoy this short interview. Thank you.